Namaskar, this is Sonali Mahant, founder of Better Gains Realtors. This amazing site where I stand today is this project by Experion developers. It's called the Trillion Life. What is so special about Experion developers? People have had a difficult time investing in real estate in northern India when it came to Delhi NCR because there was dearth of good developers who were known for timely delivery, quality construction, and missed somewhere the funds used to get mismanaged. This developer that I'm talking about today, I take immense pride working on this brand because it's 100% FDI, Singapore based company that have come into the northern India market, started with their projects in Gurugram, in Lucknow, in different parts of Punjab, and now coming in a big way in one of the most favorite millennial cities, which is Gurugram. This project, the Trillion Life, is in Sector 48 Gurugram, which is just the starting point of Delhi Mumbai Expressway and connected to Subhash Chowk. Also, the driving distance time from here to Huda City Center is only 10 minutes, 5 minutes to NH 48. What more can you ask for? Now, let's come into the project details. What's so special coming in Sector 48 in the Trillion Life by Experion? It has three unique towers with only 3 and 4 BHK, super spacious apartments, very uniquely designed by roping in some of the big names, DPA architects, Singapore based companies who will be taking care of the entire clubhouse and the wonderful amenities that this project has to offer. 3 BHK apartments start with 2,900 square feet and 4 BHK is 3,600 square feet. So we have spoken on the location. I have told you about the brand. Now let us come what's in store for you. So the three advantages that you can't miss with this brand, you can be 100% assured that you will get a quality and a branded residence to live in. Your money is 100% safe and no compromise on quality with all the luxuries that are taken care in the apartments. This comes with a unique offer for the first few units. We have inaugural offer which brings in the price to 20,499 per square foot with a super amazing payment plan. You pay 20% in the first 2-3 months and then post that there is a very relaxed payment plan which is termed as a 20-40-40 payment plan. To, to get yourself registered, please reach out to us. We will help you take through and bring this reality of making this dream come true for you. This is going to be a milestone, an iconic development, an opportunity you cannot miss at any cost. So please reach out to us, and RERA has already received. You can get the allotments done today. We will navigate and help you through the process. Thank you.